Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll gonna share step 3 of CI/CD pipeline, how we install Ansible on EC2 instance. So for that we have 4 instances already set up here in AWS, and here I'm having Ansible server and here I'm having web server. So first we need to do is what? We need to install it SSH into Ansible server with the help of PuTTY. So I'll just open my PuTTY, and here I'll copy the public IP address in order to create session. So this step you have already seen, I think, in my previous lectures where we installed Jenkins. So the same step we need to follow here. So here I have put the IP address of my Ansible server, and here I need to give any name. For example, I'm giving Ansible server. Fine. And here in SSH in auth, the same steps we have already repeated earlier. So here I have put the Jenkins PPK, which we downloaded when we have created our EC2 instance, and here I'm saving the configuration file, and I can just open it here, accept. So here you can log in with EC2 user. So here you can see you have successfully logged into your Ansible server, and you can just SSH into your the server. Okay, we now what we need to do is we need to install the Ansible server. So yum install Ansible and press enter. So here you can see here it is coming, you need to be at the root to perform this command. So I'm doing sudo su. Now I'm at the root. Now I need to give the command yum install Ansible. So now what it's saying is we need to give this command. Okay, no problem, we will install Ansible with this one because AWS already provided us the package, and we are just using that particular one, which is a compatible version. Okay, see, so Ansible is now installed. So as you can see now, Ansible is now installed on our EC2 instance, which we have created this. And now what we need to do is we need to put our web server private IP in the host file of Ansible. Now, okay, we are already on the root access. We will go to cd etc Ansible host. Okay, here we are. Now I'll press I and put over here my web server IP address. So let's go here, web server. This is the same instance we have created like on our previous lectures. Why it is getting refreshed? Okay, fine, no problem. So let's click on the web server, and here you can copy the private IP from here. As you can see, it is written private IP. I have copied it, and here I'll paste it. Okay, I'll just save it now. Now this way you have put the web browser. Sorry, it is web server, not web browser. It's web server IP to Ansible server. Fine. Now what's next step is we'll install Apache on our web server, and this I'll share in the next video. Thanks for watching. Let's see you in the next one. Thank you and have a great day.